Talk to me.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is lachelletrends, and hey girl, hey to all of my new subscribers. Sis, we are at 13,000 and your girl is super excited. I don't know what to do. I woke up and I was like, 13? Girl, 13? So yeah, thank you. I'm forever grateful. And yeah, on this channel I do wig reviews as well as fashion hauls. Girl, I love a good Walmart haul. So yeah, stay tuned. But today's video is about this unit you see me wearing right here. It's from Tinashe Hair. I'll have them and this unit linked in the description box below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As well, don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, sis, because I post weekly and you do not want to miss it. So yeah, girl, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, y'all, so again, I received this hair from Tinashe Hair, and it came in this box right here, as well as this baggie. So we're going to open up the bag, and we have the wig itself. And let's see what's in here. We have some cute lashes, a scarf, and then the wig cap, as well as a card. And it just has their information on the back, and I'm assuming hair care instructions. Yes, hair care instructions in the inside. So that's what you get. Let's go ahead. So again, just the smallest details I love. It tells you what you got right here, because you know your good sis doesn't, I just never know what I got. Anyway, so this is in the length of 24 inches. It says style BW, so I'm assuming that is body wave. It doesn't have the density marked, and I want to assume that this is maybe 180% density. I don't know, but you already know I will have the details once we get into it. So I do know that this is a U-part unit, you guys. The waves are very pretty, and as you can see, it's a U-part wig. So let's take this styrofoam off. So getting into the construction of the wig, you see there are 4 combs, 2 on either side of the U-part. The stretchy elastic, which you do need to cut. It just comes like this, but you do cut it off. No comb right there, but it is 2 combs on the side right here, and then a comb and adjustable straps at the bottom. So that is what we're looking like. And if I need to show you guys the clips, they look like so, like any clips that you would get with hair extensions, or you know, clip-ons or something like that. So yeah, very secure, has a lot of security on this unit. Once again, this is what we're looking like. And yes, sis, the body wave looks really nice. The texture looks really good. And you guys already know, if you don't know, I'm a natural girl. So yeah, we're gonna get into this. Hopefully it matches really good with my hair once I straighten it. But yes, sis, let's go ahead and put this wig on. Okay, sis, so I'm starting off by cutting off these straps. This is a must do before putting this unit on. just showing you what my leave out is looking like. I already pre-did it. I added some braids on the side, and this is just for my comfort. It makes it easier for me to put the unit on, and this is just my preference. You don't have to do it, but yeah, you guys, so now I'm just putting the unit on and I'm clipping those clips through the braid, and again, this just relieves a lot of tension instead of it being on my scalp. So obviously I'm going to do a middle part, and I'm just kind of straightening out the part and making it a lot, you know, nicer looking. And after I do that, I'm gonna go in with some heat protector, and just I'm gonna spray this all around my hair first, because I don't want to do it by sections because it does sizzle and stuff. So I'm just going to kind of rub that in and let it sit for maybe a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to go in with my flat iron and start to flatten out my leave out. I'm going to begin styling the unit, and I'm going to take my curling iron and use some Got to Be glue holding spray just so it can kind of hold the curls better. And yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna go in and just start curling up the unit. sis, so here is what we are looking like. We are looking really cute, really natural. Like, sis, it is really giving what it's supposed to give. I did change the hairstyle just a little bit, just because, just like I thought, my natural hair was not gonna let me be great, and it was not trying to blend well. So I just put the hair behind my ear and then added some baby hairs just so it can look better than what it did. So yeah, girl, this is the look that we got. And yeah, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. So that is the back, sis. So let's get into the details of this unit. So again, I got this from tinashehair.com, and on the website it says that this is their body wave human hair U-part wig. It's 150% density. It has a natural wig color, or natural hair color, and it is 24 inches. So yes, sis, the details. Let's get into the details of this unit, which is not much because this is a really simple unit. So yeah, the texture of this unit is just like really soft, really silky. I hadn't received any tangling, any shedding, nothing like that. I really hadn't even manipulated this wig like I normally would on another wig, because I didn't need to co-wash anything, or I could have co-washed it, but I really don't do that as often. I normally just bleach the knots. So yeah, I hadn't did any of that, so no manipulation to this wig. It's just perfect right out the box. The ends of the hair are really good. There's no frizz. I didn't need to trim anything. They just overall are really good. And the length, sis, it's 24 inches, and best believe you get all 24 inches. Let me turn around and stand up. Girl, look how long it is. Like, it is definitely a long unit. It probably even almost looks more than 24 inches, probably like a 26 or so. But yeah, it's 24 inches, and you get all 24. It's really nothing else to say besides that I probably next time will order a kinky texture wig, just because I know you guys probably see the frizz going on, and again, I'm a natural hair girl. I'm a 4B to 4C, so a kinky texture wig would probably did me more justice, just because my hair is just so frizzy. So I do want to put that out there because I know you guys can see the frizz. But other than that, sis, maybe if I get it done like professionally, like a silk press, me just straightening my hair by myself, it just never works. And I already knew that it wasn't going to blend like it should, because I know my hair, so my expectations weren't high at all. But I mean, for somebody whose hair straightens well and somebody who has permed hair, sis, this is the perfect wig for you. The density is so perfect. It looks like your real hair. Like, the blend up here looks really good on me. It's just that my hair is frizzy all around, just because, again, I'm a natural hair girl. So other than that, girl, like, this is a really bomb unit. Like, I still love the unit, even though my hair is frizzy, and maybe once I get outside it's gonna just go every in which way, because it's already doing that while I'm inside. I still really love this unit. I really want to get it in the kinky texture next time, because I just love this natural look that it's giving. The baby hairs, the little, you know, the little leave out that I have, like, this hair is really nice. I used to wear these wigs back in the day, and when I had permed hair, and they always turned out very good. So yeah, girl, this is a really nice unit. Get your hands on it. I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to. And yes, sis, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.